In 1740, a Dutch tutor named Abraham Tremblay made a surprising discovery. In a jar of pond water he collected for a natural history lesson, he saw a creature he didn't recognize. After observing it for a while, he decided the next step was to cut it in half and leave it. A few days later, he had two whole living creatures. This is how the polyp got its name, Hydra. In Greek myth, Hydra was a many-headed monster who every time you cut off one head, more grew back in its place. But what is the cause of the polyp Hydra's seemingly mythical powers? To understand that, we need to learn how Hydra works. The Hydra is a simple organism. It has a hollow tubular body and a suction cup-like foot. It catches invertebrates in its tentacles, which it drops into a mouth at the top of its body. What Tremblay didn't know is that Hydra are primarily made of stem cells. What are stem cells? They're cells that are undifferentiated. They don't yet have a function. They can turn into almost any cell the body needs, and Hydra don't have many needs. Hydra have two main types of cells, epithelial and interstitial. Epithelial cells form the inner and outer layer of skin. They differentiate into specialized cells to make up the tentacles and base. Interstitial cells grow inside the walls made by the epithelial cells. They differentiate into many different types like sperm and eggs, nerve cells, gland cells, and defensive stings called nematocytes. Both epithelial and interstitial stem cells form inside Hydra's body by cell division. This creates a stem cell conveyor belt. Undifferentiated stem cells produced in the center push older cells farther away from the body. They then differentiate, turning into a new type of cell. It takes a Hydra 4 days to grow a new tentacle and 20 days to grow a head or a base. The stem cell conveyor belt also plays a role in Hydra reproduction. It takes 2 days to create the cells to begin sprouting a new Hydra, and 8 days to sprout a complete baby. This explains Tremblay's miraculous result. When a Hydra is cut in half, stem cells will grow and differentiate to replace what's missing. In fact, modern experiments have shown that just 300 Hydra cells are enough to regrow an entire Hydra. This ability to repair broken skin, or even regrow most of their body, gives Hydra an unusually long life. Some scientists even say they're immortal.